like to welcome everybody to the plein air watercolor journaling. I use watercolor and pen and ink. I've been doing this since 2003. I'm Don Taylor. I am a signature member of 17 watercolor societies, and I've been painting in watercolor for over 45 years. I would like to go ahead and show you a few of the things and talk about the plein air journaling, some of the things that you need to know and be aware of, and then I'll do a demonstration. My philosophy on this is that you have to do a 2-minute drawing, 30-minute max painting. And this is because you don't have that much time when you're traveling